The majestic trees, a beautiful blue-napped chlorophonia gathered straw, carefully building its nest, teaching us the value of effort and preparation for the future. And a nearby quetzal sits silently, a symbol of patience and observation. The melodic voice of the gray-faced tit-babbler fills the air. Look at the black-necked weaver and the white-tailed trogon reflect the artistry of nature, their vibrant colors reminding us of the beauty in diversity. The Oriental magpie robin, elegant voice whisper a lesson in grace and simplicity. A calm gray-breasted mountain toucan teach the art of peaceful movement. While the playful painted bunting eating food for layer, reminding us to enjoy life's little pleasure. Olive-backed oriole with its striking red beak shows us how small detail can make us unique. Beautiful ones watching quietly reflect the importance of observation and learning. Common starling gather with friends teach us the importance of community and connection. The powerful voice of the gray-hooded Attila. And the black-napped monarch, sitting among the lush greenery. As the video ends, the lush greenery reminding us that the nature's lessons are all around patience, hard work, unity, and the joy of being present. Let's cherish these wonders and let them inspire us to live with more harmony and gratitude.